Hello viewers. So you must have heard about AI platforms these days. Been watching a lot of videos on Insta and YouTube. Right now almost every other video is filled with AI related content from multiple platforms. And if you have heard about many AI platforms, then you must have heard about Midjourney AI platform as well. So here I am with the video how to use Midjourney as an AI platform and how you can create an amazing, mind-blowing, AI-generated art with just the simple commands. You can literally convert your imagination into an awesome AI art.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So without any further delay, let's get started. So what you have to do, first of all, open your web browser and simply type Midjourney, then hit enter. Click on the first link, midjourney.com. Now here simply click on the join beta. After this you will be redirected to a Midjourney Discord server invitation link. Now here if you already have a Discord account, then just sign in with your Discord account, and if you do not have a Discord account, then enter here your username for Discord and then click on continue button. Now enter your DOB, then click on done. Now enter here your email ID and password which you want to keep for this Discord ID. Then click on create account. Now open your Gmail which you provided here and verify your Discord account by just clicking on it. Your email is now verified. Close this tab and return to the Discord page and just refresh it once. Now click here to create your own new server. Click on create my own, then click on skip this question. Now choose your server name, then click on create. Click on not now. Now click on this Midjourney server.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now click here on any newbie channel. Now click here show member list. You will see here Midjourney bot, click on it. Then click on add to server. Select here your server, then click continue. Click on authorize. Complete the CAPTCHA. Now click on your server which you created. You will see here Midjourney bot has been added to your server. Now here we are. You are ready to go. Your creation is just a single command away. Simply enter /, then type imagine. You will see here a command, click on it. Now here type whatever you want to create, whatever in your mind. As example, I am typing here a command like futuristic city, sci-fi city, cyberpunk city, Batman standing on tallest building of the city, 8K. After entering all your details, simply hit enter button. Now for the first time here it will ask you to accept the terms and conditions. Just click on it. Then wait for 20 to 25 seconds. You can see here it is generating digital art as your commands. Just wait a little bit until it complete. Now you will see here it will create 4 designs based on your commands. Just click on this photo, then right click on it, then click on Save As, and this will be saved to your computer. Now here you will see 9 options under your photo. On upside there is option U1, U2, U3, U4. These options are to upscale your image. For example, you like the first photo and you want it in higher resolution. Then click on U1, it will upscale it. For second image upscale, click on U2, and so on. And at bottom, V1, V2, V3, V4. These are for variations. For your image, for example, I want variation for image 1, then I will click on V1, for second image V2, and so on. And there is final regenerate option, it will regenerate your image. So here is your AI platform Midjourney. Now create your own AI art with the help of this tool. Awesome. I hope I explained it as easy as possible.